As you can see, it's a lot going on right now. What's going on YouTube? Blvd TV back in another video. Real quick, for these last couple videos I've been doing, I've been using my cell phone and just using my GoPro because it's easier. Sorry I can't give you guys a better production. I just don't have the time, and I've tried the whole YouTube thing. I'm not a YouTuber, but I do want to kind of just try to explain some of my setup and my journey and everything I'm going into. Quick background is prior to getting into live streaming, well, once I got into live streaming, I learned that I had to learn other aspects of production, and audio was one of them. So prior to live streaming, all I used to do was just stick a shotgun mic on my DSLR camera, or any of my cinema cameras, or lavaliers, or wireless microphones like Wireless Go or whatever, and I'm done with audio. But now that I'm live streaming and I'm using video switches like the Atem Mini, and they have these different options of mic and line, and one to add mixers, and did a build where I changed my regular mic inputs to XLRs. It's just been a journey on trying to get the audio right and trying to figure out what's going on, and even just wanting to add a mixer to my production. Never using a mixer before in my life, or not even knowing anything about them. So as you can see, it's a lot going on right now. My last video, I actually did a video explaining, the difference between this mobile unit setup and this mobile unit setup. They're essentially the same. One is just more lightweight, easy portable. The other one's a little bit heavier, but there's pros and cons to both of them. So you can check that video out. But this video is about the mixer. Just came across an issue with the audio. I think I did a video about this mixer, and being able to use a mixer with an Atem Mini Pro is definitely possible. I can't use a mixer with this current setup, well, at least this mixer in particular, but for this setup, I converted my two mic inputs into XLR inputs. I don't know if we're going to be able to see that, but I put some XLRs on the back of that. But since I have XLRs, I'm able to run this into the Atem Mini, hook it up here. But what I noticed is, with trying to film a podcast that I was doing, we was running into issues with audio. So it's going to be hard to see this. So from my testing experiments, if you're going to be using a Wireless Go microphone like I have here, or, Ceremonic, any of these wireless microphones, you're going to want your mic set to microphone, or microphone plus plug-in. I tried both of them. They sound the same. I don't know what the plus power is, so I just put it on microphone, and it works. Now, if you're going to use a mixer, like this mixer that I have, you're going to want that on line. So it's probably hard to see on the GoPro. But what I do for my Atem Mini Extreme is I have my mic 1 for microphone, and I have the mic 2 set to line. So that way, if I am going to use a mixer, I'll just plug that into 2. And if I'm going to use my wireless gun, I'll plug that into 1. But for this setup, I can't plug my mixer into this one, at least how this setup is, because it just have the two 3.5 millimeter jacks. But I'm going to have both of these set to microphone, where in the past, I've always had them set to line. And I was wondering why my feeds was like really low. So, but having them in microphone, it gives me, the sound is a lot higher. And plugging this one into line, already had it set to line, so that's why I was having success using this mixer. So I just wanted to get that video about using it. If you don't know how to get to the settings, all you do is open up. Let me see if I can close this out. All you have to do is open up your Atem software, click little wheel, settings, and go to audio, and it'll most likely be on this, and just go to general. Click general, and then you'll be able to change your settings and hit done. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to help my channel out. Thanks.